What's up with the Locked In fam? Welcome back to another episode of Locked In with Trey, and today marks week 2 of doing this Minoxidil trial, trying to grow a beard, you know what I'm saying? So these are my results. Gonna get into it. This is my results right here, and I just put on Minoxidil like maybe close to 3 or 4 hours ago. So you see the ashiness right now. This is what you can expect if you use Minoxidil. You get real ashy all under the chin, on the cheek. Let me get a close up. See that right there? Yeah, so your boy is kind of ashy right now, but it don't matter because I got my black castor oil right here. That's what I use to moisturize. I'm about to slap some of this on and then give y'all a better close up. I don't want none of this ash getting on the camera lens, you feel me? So let's go on and put this on real quick. And when you're putting on your black castor oil, whether it's black castor oil or black Jamaican castor oil, whatever, it don't take a whole bunch. All you need is like just a little bit of boop. You know what I'm saying? That's really too much. I booped it too much, you know what I'm saying? Rub it in like that and throw it on your face. Be shining like a penny in a minute, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Comment down below what type of oil y'all use for y'all beards, for your face, whatever. Because this is good for all that. You don't have to just use it on your beard, you know what I'm saying? You can use it on your whole body if you want to. Be shining like a penny if you got skin like me, you feel me? Okay, I believe that's good for now. It's not 100%, but it's enough for y'all not to see a whole bunch of ashiness on my face. Now let's do a better close-up, you feel me? Now come here, come on. Now you see right here, all this under here is getting a lot thicker, you know what I'm saying? It's still patchy, ain't nothing connected all the way yet. It's still a gap right here, you see what I'm saying? But hey, it's just week 2, and your boy is getting a little bit of hair growth going right here, you feel me? Not that I couldn't grow it myself, but it's getting a lot thicker in some of the spots now. I might shave it, you know what I'm saying? Cut it down, not shave it all the way off, just to, you know, see if it can catch up. I got a few vellus hairs right here, a few of these baby hairs starting to grow in and getting long. I know y'all see that right there. That's kind of weird looking, but I'm gonna keep it pushing, you know what I'm saying? But that's this side, and then, you know, right here on the chin hairs is crawling up, you know what I'm saying? The connectors is coming in real good. That one really coming in, you know what I'm saying? This one kind of weak right here, but you see what I'm working with, you know what I'm saying? If I back up a little bit, you can see it a little bit. See how it's gonna come in. My mustache, it's a little weak right here, you know what I'm saying? But I got a little something going on. Kind of long right there. Need a Then you got under the chin, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of weak right there in the middle, but its hair is there coming in all underneath the neck, as y'all can see. Now on this side, let me go turn where y'all can see. Now on this side, it's real patched, you know what I mean? It ain't full like this side, you know what I'm saying? This side is a little weaker, but I know y'all can see a little hairs coming in right there. That Minoxidil ain't playing. Y'all need to go and get y'all some of this right here, 5%, you know what I'm saying? Walgreens, Walmart, Amazon, you name it, it's close by. Gas stations probably got it in some states. But anyway, yeah, so I got vellus hairs coming in right here, you know what I mean? All under here is growing. It's just patchy right here, and in my upper cheek and the sideburns, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of patchy all over really, you know what I mean? But we making progress for week 2. That's what I'm saying. It's just week 2. Make sure y'all comment down below and tell me what y'all think about the progress so far for week 2. And make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe on these videos, you know what I'm saying? Let's get it out to more people. If you struggle with growing a beard and you ain't never grew a beard and you up in age, you know what I'm saying? When I say up in age, I mean like 25 to like 35, you know what I'm saying? In that age range, you know what I'm saying? Where people say if you ain't grew a beard yet, you might not ever grow a beard, then come on and join the team because we about to figure some stuff out. Does Minoxidil really work? I got the derma roller too in the bathroom, and I'm gonna be doing that too. So I'm gonna show y'all all the stuff. I'm gonna show y'all the Minoxidil application, derma rolling, all that. Y'all just watched me apply black castor oil on my face, you know what I'm saying? So ain't nothing too special about that. Just a lot of wop, 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 and you good. Just making sure you're hitting all the areas that you need to hit that's ashy. But yeah, that's really it, you know what I'm saying? That's really all I had to show y'all. Show y'all a little bit of these updates, and that's it, man. Comment down below and let me know what you think. When you started out, if this is what you look like, if your hair, your beard look like this starting out, let me know. And I want to see some updated pictures, you know what I'm saying? Locked In with Trey on Instagram. Send it in because I'm trying to get motivated. You know what I'm saying? Your boy is 32. If y'all thought I was younger than that, hey, nah. I'm 32. I'm still young, but hey, some say I should have a beard by now without all the extra products and stuff like that. But hey, I'm still getting it in. I'ma still keep brushing like this beard hair right there and all over the place, you know what I'm saying? I'ma still keep doing this. This is week 2, and hey, I hope y'all are rocking with me on this journey growing a beard. Y'all rock with me growing locks. Y'all still rocking with me with the Can-Am Rocker stuff, and that's coming Saturday and Sunday, you know what I'm saying? So stay tuned for that. But hey, the beard game, what's up? But anyways, guys and girls, and I must include girls because y'all might have some tips and tricks on growing beards that men might not even know, you know what I'm saying? It's still hair at the end of the day. So let me know. It don't matter if you're a man, a woman, little kid that got a beard, you name it. But hey, that's it, folks. It's your boy Trey Smith, bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. Don't you forget it. And I'll see you guys on the next video, week 3. All right, peace.